In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text on Slack. Navigating through Slack can seem overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, formatting your messages becomes second nature. Whether you're trying to emphasize a word or add a little flair to your messages, italics can be your best friend. So, let's dive right in and break down this simple process step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Slack website. You'll want to locate the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. It's usually quite visible and shouldn't be too hard to find. Once you're on the sign-in page, you have different options for logging in, but to keep things streamlined, let's click on Google. This option allows you to sign in using your Google account, which is a quick and secure way to access your Slack workspace. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your direct messages. You might already be familiar with the layout of Slack, but in case you're not, direct messages can be found on the sidebar. You can either click on an existing conversation or start a new one, depending on where you'd like to send your italicized message. Now let's move on to drafting your message. Type out the whole text or message that you intend to send. Don't worry about formatting just yet. We'll get to that in a moment. Once your message is typed out, highlight the specific text you want to italicize. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, or if you're using a keyboard, hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to select the portion of text. With the text highlighted, look towards the bottom section of the Slack window. There, you should find a small toolbar with different formatting options. Among those, locate the italic icon, which usually looks like a slanted I. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, the highlighted text should switch to italics, giving it that distinct, tilted look that stands out from the rest of your message. And there you have it. Your message is now perfectly italicized and ready to be sent. Just hit enter or click the send button, and your beautifully formatted message will be on its way. Mastering this simple formatting trick can enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your communication on Slack. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, feel free to keep exploring more Slack features to further customize your messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and happy messaging!